Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert a picture to a PDF file on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to do this, we can use the third-party app that is called CamScanner that allows us to do so. So we're gonna open the App Store. We're gonna search for an app. Let's enter the app's name. There we go. And this is the one that you can download. Of course, there are probably different apps as well that can do just the same thing. I'm gonna just show you how to do that based on this app. So once we have the app installed, we can open it, and we don't have to use premium. And now over here, in order to create the PDF file, to convert the picture into PDF file, you can press files. You can go to files over here. If you already have the picture, of course, you can also open the camera for that as well. Then we can import images. You will need to grant permissions for that in order to let the app be able to take a look at your pictures. And then you can select picture or pictures that you want to include in the PDF file. I'm gonna use two pictures in this example. I'm gonna select this one and this one. I'm gonna select two at once. And then we can press import over here in the top right corner. There we go. Now over here, of course, we have the preview. We can still edit those images, but once you are done, you can press this check in the bottom right corner. There we go. And now over here, as you can see, we have two pages. Both are just pictures. And now in order to save this as the PDF file, we need to press share at the bottom, then choose PDF, and then you can, for instance, save to files. Now you can choose where you want to save it. I'm gonna save it in downloads, and there we go. This is now done. We can actually close the app, and if I go to Files app and open my downloads folder, I should be able to find my PDF file with two photos. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!